can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
Morning, Dix.
Morning, Scooch, my little metal matey. Another day, another digger.
Another lovely morning on the site. Beautiful sunrise.
Fantastic.
Good morning, Diggs.
Morning, Bozer.
Lovely morning. Good morning, Scooch.
Morning, Bozer. Bozer?
Yes.
I'd like to be the boss of the construction site one day.
Oh.
But do I have to be big like you?
Well, Scooch, being the boss has nothing to do with size, really. It's all about experience and patience.
Oh, so I could be a boss.
Of course. But I have to say, it does help if you have a big, deep, boomy voice. That way, machines will always listen to you.
Oh, a big, deep, boomy voice.
You mean like this? Something like that, Scooch. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go and get my engine serviced. Mind behind. Mind behind. See you later, Bozer. Faru! You little thing.
There, nearly done.
Hello, Diggs. Hello, Carrie.
Scooch, what's wrong with your voice?
This is my boss voice. I'm going to be the boss, just like Bozer.
Ah, isn't he sweet?
Imagine that. Scooch the boss.
Oh, maybe I need to practice a bit more.
Hello, Bozer. How was your service?
Fine, thanks, Oh!
Are you all right, Bozer?
Well, I mean, yes, my voice.
I think they might have tightened your piston rings a little too much.
Oh, I just need to go and, do something.
Oh, that Bozer is cracking me up.
Oh, careful, Diggs. You're really high up.
Oh, don't get your fan belt in a twist. I've been much higher than this.
And you're far too close to the edge.
Call this close? Now this is close. La 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 la. Oh, this is close. Too close.
I told you. Now back away.
Can't move my wheels. Too high up. Scared.
Oh, Diggs. Just stay there. I'll go and get Bozer.
Oh, like I'm going to go anywhere. Oh.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, I'm Bozer the boss. Oh no.
Ah, there you are, Bozer. Are you all right?
No, I'm not, Maxine. None of the machines are going to take me seriously, sounding like this.
Of course they will. Oh. When somebody needs you, they need you for who you are. It's the things that you stand for, not how you sound, that makes you a star. You've always been a kind of leader.
Sorry, Bozer.
Oh,
Someone
don't worry,
we need around. It's the things that you say, not just the way you sound. When somebody needs you, they need you for who you are. Some might no doubt think starting to shout will get them so far. Your voice may be loud
No arguing
or
now,
squeaky.
Diggs.
And whether it's
Have you seen my
high
palette?
or low,
I'll help
it's
you
the
find it.
things that you say
He's the
that
best
make
boss
you
ever.
the Bozer we know.
Bozer! Dix is stuck on a ledge and he needs you to guide him down. I'll be right there.
I'm not on a really high ledge. I'm not on a really high ledge. I'm not on a really high ledge.
Oh, hello, Dix. What are you doing on that really high ledge?
Being terrified.
Don't worry. I'll guide you down with my deep boss voice. Everything's okay. I'll catch you if you fall, which would be a really, really long way.
You're not helping, Scooch.
It's okay, Scooch. I'll take it from here.
Who said that? Bozer?
Oh, forget the voice, Diggs. Now, just keep your headlights on me, select a low gear, and reverse slowly away.
But that's what I told him to do.
I know, Scooch, but when you're in trouble, you need to hear the reassuring voice of the boss. Even if it is a bit higher than usual.
Jumper reversing.
Do you think you'll ever get your big boomy voice back, Bozer?
Well, in my experience, Scooch, these things either take a long time to get better, or something extraordinary happens and they're back in a flash.
Oh no! Mr. Roundy just swung into a pile of rubber tires! He's out of control! He's
Ouch! Oh, wait a minute. I've got my old voice back. Carl, you're a genius.
Oh, Bozer!
Bozer, you said that would happen. That was the something extraordinary. Oh, I'd like some of that boss-like experience. Where do I get it from?
Well, Scooch, as I said, it helps if you have a big, boomy voice. So let's practice. Ready?
Right.
How about this? Oh, that's not bad, but I think you could do it a bit lower.
I'll try.
How about this?
Now you're scaring me.
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.